Okay, so what we have here today basically is I have the AKK A5 3-in-1 FPV camera system with the VTX. That would be this model right here. This actually, I'll show you the pamphlet right here, is the 5.8 gigahertz 40 channel FPV transmitter and 600 TVL camera with OSD interface. Basically, what I did is I installed this on the E58 quadcopter because the camera system that came with the E58 was horrible. It did have a DVR, which made the recorded video decent, but the on the spot real time camera footage was horrible. You couldn't see anything, and so I opted to replace the video camera with a 5.8 gigahertz camera system. Now, what you'll have to note is that with a 5.8 gigahertz camera, you're gonna have to, in order for you to get the video feed on your cell phone, you're going to have to buy an FPV receiver, a 5.8 gigahertz receiver, in order to get that video forwarded to your iPhone or to your Android. Now, what I bought was an eSheen R051 5.8 gigahertz receiver. As you can see here, this model right here, and I have it double stick taped to the back of the transmitter. So as you can see here, it stays there. So I can plug it into my phone, and voila, just like that, you know. Plug this in, everything's cool. Plug that into the R051, and I have everything I need. Now, basically, I did such a good amount of work on this E58 that you can't tell that this is not the stock camera, because when I put it back together, I made it flush. So, looking at it here, I'll take the lens cap off. You can't tell that I did anything to it, because, yeah, as you can see, it looks like it's brand new. That's how I like to build, to replace cameras and things of that nature, because who wants some bulky, non-aesthetically pleasing ruin of the quadcopter's original form in the first place? The whole point of changing out the camera is to have a better experience when flying the drone in live time, with the live camera feed. And also, it still has to look good, you know, because this is a good looking quadcopter. I like the frame personally. It's aesthetically pleasing, and it's functional. Now, note that at first, this is something I didn't know at first, that you will have to buy this eSheen receiver, or you don't have to buy an eSheen receiver, but you have to buy a 5.8 gigahertz receiver in order to transmit to your cell phone. In order to transmit the video, the 5.8 gigahertz FPV video to your cell phone. And this is all the channels and bandwidths of the camera. Now, like I said, you will have to have a receiver to use your cell phone as the FPV screen for that video camera upgrade. But yeah, so you can't even tell that I replaced the camera at all. But I did a pretty good job sewing it up, you know. So that'll be that. So that's all I have to say for right now.